teach you a rhythm that comes all the way from North India. It's called Jhaptal. It's traditionally played on the tablas, but at home you could use any percussion instrument you have lying around, and if you don't have any percussion instruments, just use your hands and clap along. This is how we count that rhythm. Okay, it goes like this. 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3. You try. Good. So in India, they actually use syllables sort of as a mnemonic device to count this rhythm. And each of the syllables correlates with a different sound on the tabla. So the first sound is den. Can you say den? Good. The second sound is ta. That sounds like this. Can you say ta? The third and last sound used in this beat is called ten, and that goes like this. The whole rhythm is counted using those syllables, and that sounds like this. Den ta den den ta ten ta den den ta. So the first half goes den ta den den ta, and the second half is ten ta den den ta. Let's count that together. Den ta den den ta ten ta den den ta. Den ta den den ta ten ta den den ta. Den ta den den ta ten ta den den ta. Den ta den den ta ten ta den den ta. You're going to be clapping on only some of these beats that you're counting. So while you say den ta den den ta ten ta den den ta, you're going to be clapping on the dens and the ten. Okay? So that will sound like this. Den ta den den ta ten ta den den ta. Den ta den den ta ten ta den den ta. Den ta den den ta ten ta den den ta. Den ta den den ta ten ta den den ta. Okay, let's try it a little faster. 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3. Den ta den den ta ten ta den den ta. Den ta den den ta ten ta den den ta. Den ta den den ta ten ta den den ta. Den ta den den ta ten ta den den ta. Okay, so to take it to the next level, I want you to play it along with me while I play it on the tablas. So you're going to be singing it, saying the syllables, and clapping while I play the tablas. 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3. Den ta den den ta ten ta den den. Den ta den den ta ten ta 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 den. Den ta den ta den den ta den ta. Den ta den den ta ten ta den. 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 So now, just to have some fun, why don't you play along on any of the beats that you like while counting that same rhythm. 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3. Den ta den den ta ten ta den den. Den ta Ta Dhen